हॉल वगैरह या जो वुड वर्क है, यहाँ पे भी हमारा काम हुआ है।
Dinesh Janged is the company's second generation. A qualified architect who also has his own design company, he spearheads all the designing for DS stores. After joining the company, he has led it to diversify into home and office furniture and modular kitchens too. He ensures the company keeps up with all the latest styles and international trends.
We have professionals like we are graduate architects, interior designers. Those are working day to day and come up with new innovative ideas that how to come up with latest design, straight line designs, and which are cost effective.
Dinesh is also taking the company forward in terms of technology and newer ways of production. Under his leadership, the company has bought the new CNC router machines that can replicate manual work in a fraction of the time and ensure consistency and quality of products. These machines have increased the production capacity, reduced costs by a great margin, and multiplied the company's revenues many times over.
CNC मशीन कंप्यूटर न्यूमेरिकल कंट्रोल होता है, जैसे एक प्रिंटर को प्रिंटिंग के लिए यूज किया जाता है, उसी टेक्निक पे हमने ऑर्डर देके एक फ्लेक्सी कैम है जर्मन में, वहां अपनी मशीन बनाई। उन्होंने 2.5 साल में हमें एक मशीन बना के दी। हमारा जो एक दरवाजा कार्विंग का पहले 10,000 रुपए कॉस्ट करता था कार्विंग में, अब वो हमारे लिए सिर्फ 1,000 रुपए कॉस्ट करता है। जो एक दरवाजा कार्विंग का पहले 10,000 रुपए कॉस्ट करता था कार्विंग में, अब वो हमारे लिए सिर्फ 1,000 रुपए कॉस्ट करता है।
Along with the promise of quality, DS Stores has a policy of providing after-sales service free of cost for the first 1 year. And even years later, when clients call on them for any kind of maintenance, the company is happy to serve them. A practice that has helped DS Stores retain its clients for over 3 decades.
हमारे यहाँ पर जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है, हम उसमें केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं ताकि उसमें दीमक ना लगे, फंगस ना लगे, बोरर ना हो, उसकी हम गारंटी देते हैं। इसके बाद अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ भी जाती है बाय द वे, तो हम उसकी आफ्टर सेल सर्विस भी देते हैं।
The success or failure of a company is decided by the people who work for it. At DS Stores, employees are treated like family, and most have been here ever since the company started. In fact, many of the 400 workers here stuck with the owner of the company in its early days of struggle. And today he says he's only trying to pay them back.
जो मैंने अपने हाथ से ट्रेन किए थे कारपेंटर, वही आज पूरी कंपनी चला रहे हैं, वही मैनेजर हैं, वही प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर हैं, वही फोरमैन हैं, वो मेरे जो साथी हैं जिन्होंने मेरे साथ रंदा खींचा है, वही सारा कुछ मेरा बिजनेस संभाल रहे हैं।
बच्चे छोटे छोटे थे, वो पढ़ लिख के बड़े हो गए और जो है नौकरी लायक हो गए, बहुत ही सुविधा मिली।
With the rising depletion of precious natural resources like wood, companies are working hard to find alternatives. DS Stores has spent years researching and experimenting with different kinds of wood fibers and has come up with some low-cost and environment-friendly alternatives.
We have Jamun wood, Arjun wood. These are also very easily available and it can be recycled very often. Everybody is fond of CPT, but it takes 100 years to grow. So you can understand. So to decrease the uses of such wood, it actually, add to your business. One, it is economical. Second, it is easily recyclable.
धान के छिलके से और बगास से ऐसी चीजों से दरवाजे बनाएंगे जो लकड़ी छूने में लकड़ी होगी, दिखने में लकड़ी होगी, बट लकड़ी नहीं होगी। और इसलिए पर्यावरण का भी जो है हम ध्यान रखेंगे और हमारा काम भी होगा। और आगे से नई टेक्निक है और वो उसकी स्ट्रेंथ इतनी है, अगर ट्रक भी चढ़ा दोगे तो उससे टिचकेगा नहीं, खराब नहीं होगा। वुड क्रैक हो सकती है लेकिन वो क्रैक नहीं होगी, टूट सकती है वो टूटेगी नहीं। लकड़ी पानी पी सकती है, वो पानी नहीं पिएगी। वो HDF होता है, हाई डेंसिटी फाइबर। तो वो हमारा सपना है और वो उम्मीद है हमारे 1-2 सालों में वो सपना पूरा हो जाएगा।
Along with this innovation, the company also has grand plans to expand its production capacity by over 10 times in the next few years. Its blueprint for a new manufacturing plant at Palwan in Haryana is already in place, and the company now intends to start assembly line production of wooden doors on a large scale.
उसमें सारी प्रोडक्शन ऑन रिमोट कंट्रोल से है और असेंबली भी सारी उसी से है, इसलिए प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगी। अभी हमारी प्रोडक्शन इसलिए नहीं बढ़ पाई क्योंकि हमारा मैनुअल काम काफी है।
vision for growth, impeccable quality of products, and a workforce that brings wood to life, DS Doors has opened its doors to success and become a leader in the space of wooden furniture. That was DS Doors aiming to scale up with its new manufacturing facility. After the break, we'll travel to Mumbai to visit a company that is today a leading manufacturer of polypropylene fabrics and bags. The story behind Daman Polyfabs right after this short break. You're watching Leaders of Tomorrow on ET.
IndiaMART.com. More buyers, more suppliers, more business. SMS more to 56677.
We are going closer to patients, providing affordable care and making a business sense.
We are offering latest technology and we have grown almost 100% every year. Our endeavor is to belt out quality primary care to the Indian families.
Which pioneer will drive his business to a perfect opportunity?
It's a very difficult choice because all three of them have done brilliantly well. I'm delighted to see three of our candidates, but I'm a bias.
Catch the enthralling series of entrepreneurial drive and success on Pioneering Spirit, a product of Lufthansa, only on ET Now.
Welcome back to Leaders of Tomorrow. In 1992, Niranjan Agarwal saw the opportunity in the plastic industry in India. It was a time when manufacturing of polypropylene bags and fabrics had just about started. So he decided to take a risk, and today his company Daman Polyfabs supplies products to clients in Europe, America and Russia. Here's the story. Niranjan Agarwal showed his business acumen 2 decades ago when he recognized the plastic industry as an upcoming sector. Having started out in the textile sector, he forayed into the plastic industry as soon as he saw an opportunity and started his own venture, Daman Polyfabs, in 1992. It was a time when manufacturing of polypropylene woven circular sacks had just begun in India.
I passed my graduation in the year 1974. And then I was in my family business, in textile business. We came to Daman and started here Daman Polyfabs. And with the curved looms. After that, gradually, slowly and slowly, our growth increases. And today we are making 3,000 tons of polypropylene, small bags and big bags.
Today, Daman Polyfabs is one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of various polypropylene fabrics, woven bags, yarn and other products. To cater to its global client base, it has a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility spread over 10 lakh square feet in the Union Territory of Daman and Diu.
The bags which we manufacture, mostly they are used for packing fertilizers, chemicals, wheat flour and cements. They are small bags. Also small bags are used for wrapping textile clothes and various other there is demand for those products are there. And also we have started making big bags. They are mostly used for packing polymers, packing cements, packing chemicals and extra.
Products manufactured by Daman Polyfabs mainly find large-scale application in the packaging of chemicals and fertilizers, cement and polymers, food grains, sugar and paper. The company produces 15 million linear meters of this fabric in a month for various industries, and every meter of it has to pass through stringent quality control measures.
You see, we have a strength of our production departments where they can maintain a good strength with low grammage. So that is the one of the best benefits which we are having. With low grammage we can make a bag of good quality which is well accepted in the international market. So we are we can say that we have an upper hand in this production.
We at Daman Polyfabs manufacture the products made out of polypropylene, which is known as PP, and high density polyethylene, which is known as HDPE. The bags made out of HDPE are majorly used for packing of fertilizer, chemicals and sugar in India.
Various facilities and state-of-the-art machinery like extruders, lamination plants, weaving machines and printing facilities have been installed at Daman Polyfabs manufacturing unit. This has not just achieved an increased rate of production, but using the best technical parameters has also ensured a defect rate of less than 1%.
We buy Loya machineries, we are satisfied with them. Timely we buy imported machines also, like stitching, cutting, making it more automatic, seeing the future of the India, labor positions in India. So we are investing in those parts also, that where we can have more productions with less workers.
The company's constant endeavor is to achieve optimum quality which adheres to international norms. And this is one of the prime reasons for the success of Daman Polyfabs and its steady growth over the last 2 decades. Today, with a corporate office in Mumbai and clients in most parts of Europe, Russia and America, Daman Polyfabs has achieved a turnover of 50 crore rupees.
Countries I can say, you see, we are whole of the Europe we are exporting. We are exporting to America, we are exporting to Canada, we are exporting to Russia, we are exporting to Uzbekistan. All of the world, you see, African countries also we are exporting very much.
The success and goodwill that Niranjan Agarwal has achieved over the years has also made his company an honorary member of many prestigious councils and associations. The company takes keen interest in activities related to the promotion and regulation of the plastic industry. This in turn has added to the image of Daman Polyfabs as a reputed organization in the international market.
Success, you see, our all family members, a work team of our workers, our managers, all are the contributions to develop this company. The boys with us, they are from the very beginning. Some of them were working in as like a clerk in our factory. Now they are the manager of our companies, and they are well maintaining those companies and looking for them.
जब से इस कंपनी चालू हुई दमन पॉलीफैब, तब से हम इस कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं. हमको आने जाने का सुविधा दिए हैं, रहने के लिए फ्लैट दिए हैं. काफी दिनों से हमको अच्छी तरह से सुविधा सब मिली है. एसआई भी कट रहे हैं, पीएफ भी कट रहे हैं, और हम पूरे फैमिली के साथ अच्छी तरह से यहाँ पर खुशी से रह रहे हैं.
Niranjan Agarwal has always been quick to spot opportunities, and now his expansion plans for Daman Polyfabs are already on the drawing board. With property acquired for a new manufacturing facility and dreams of launching its own IPO someday, Daman Polyfabs is leaving no stone unturned to become a leader in the plastic industry. Well, that's all we have this week, and with this episode we come to an end of our feature series. Over the next 2 weeks, we'll bring you face to face with a high-powered jury that will evaluate all the nominees and select the leaders of tomorrow across 16 categories of SMEs. And finally, all the winners will be felicitated at the Leaders of Tomorrow 2010 Awards. Until next week, goodbye and thanks for watching.
Brought to you by IndiaMART. More buyers, more suppliers, more business. IndiaMART.com. More buyers, more suppliers, more business. SMS more to 56677.